Since I've been here, I've just really been impressed with the customer following. We have such a well-respected brand here in Louisville, provide great service, and have customers that just keep coming back over and over again. And that's due largely to our staff, and again, I think the Cottman brand name here in Louisville is so strong.
I've been coming to Cottman Transmission for a while now, and when I bring my car in, I find that they're very knowledgeable of my problems and they're very trustworthy, and I've been very satisfied with the service they've provided on my car.
This is a auto service that I've recommended to friends because of the outstanding service that I received, and we just became to have a rapport that I've never had with other transmission services. I didn't have to return, only to let the guys know as far as how appreciative I was with the service.
Most of our business here, it tends to be either repeat customers or referrals from a lot of the other general repair shops that don't do the transmission work. A lot of our repeat business, I believe, is due to the fact that we treat customers like we would like to be treated. I believe that has been coming back.